Alright, so here we are. I had to change this gear. I put the Shimano gear on here because the Chinese one was really clunky. This one's butter smooth. And the other one was rusting already. But you can see it's getting cold, really cold. So here I would have problems. I gotta go way over there to the supermarket, so I gotta cross these here walkover bridges and the other ones. So I don't even bother changing gears. Give a little throttle and she goes right up. No problem. That don't even have to give it throttle to get around, but